Good morning students. In our previous video, we have completed practice questions of block 4 writing a story. 1, 2 and 3 we have completed children. Now let us look into the question 4. See, look here. Create your own interesting character by answering the questions. So now we need to create one character. And how to create that character? You have to answer these questions, then you will get it. The first one. What is his or her name? So in the lesson, we have the zippy blue kite. So kite, can it talk? No. So like that, now we need to create any one character which can talk. Okay, so what is his or her name? One name you say. Okay, Sony. Okay, shall we take Sony? Yes. Name you have taken as Sony. What is special about he or she looks? So how he or she looks? So this Sony, what is that Sony? Sony is the name. Which, whether you want to take a bird or an animal. So that you tell me children, what shall we take? Sony? Butterfly? Okay, Sony butterfly. Okay, so name is Sony butterfly. It is butterfly. For that name we have written Sony. Now what is special about how he or she looks? So how this butterfly looks? So how does it look? It looks very small. First of all, it looks very small. Then it is very colorful. Okay. Then you need to describe this butterfly. It is very small, colorful. It has two wings. Okay. And ready to fly. Okay, that you can describe about the butterfly or any character which you have selected children. Now, what is special about he or she acts? Does she or he knows any magic? So, whether this butterfly knows any magic or any special character it has. Okay, so what do you want to give? Whether you want to give same magic, that it knows magic, or it can create something, or it can if it says anything, that particular thing will come, like that we will take it. So it has magical power. Okay, so this butterfly has, we take it as he has magical, okay, but magical power. So we are taking butterfly as he. Okay, so he has magical power. So what sort of magical power does this butterfly has? Whatever, if she calls, if she wants a rocket, so I want a rocket, please bring the rocket or get it, means it will come. Okay, so like that magical powers it has with it. Okay, then draw a picture of your character. So now you need to draw the character. So character, that is butterfly, and write the name, and you will write where in a short way you describe about this butterfly, how it looks, what it has and all that, and you draw it in your classwork book. So is this fourth question clear children? So first of all, what you are going to do it, any character you take it, any animal or bird or anything you take it, and before that you put a name. So your character is, what is the name of your character? Interesting character you are creating it. So my interesting character, my character is, that's name plus that animal name. Then what is she special about he or she? How does that character looks? So looking is, it is small, colorful, two wings. He has a magical power, and you can also say that it puts goggles, anything. Okay, it has it even puts a mask also. You can do it, write it children. And finally, what are the special about that particular butterfly or about that particular animal? Special thing is that it has magical power. Okay, and finally you draw it. So this you do it in your classwork book. Okay children, this fourth bit you will do it in the classwork. So in yesterday's video 1, 2 and 3, that you are going to do it in your textbook, and this part you will do it in your classwork. Now see the next one. The character you have created. So this is your character. You have created this character. So this character created above decides to go on a journey. So your butterfly, Sony butterfly, that wants to go on a journey. It wants to go to some place. Okay. Where does your character go? So you tell. It wants to go to China, or it wants to go to America. Does it want to go to moon? Okay. Does it want to go to the moon? Okay. Yes. So my character, you can write, my character Sony butterfly wants to go to the moon. Okay. It wants to go to the moon. Okay. Then what happens first? Next, finally. So first what happens? See, if you want to go to some place, whom do you ask, children? Your parents. So same way, my character or this Sony butterfly asks its parents whether to go to moon or not. Okay. So first it takes the permission of her parents. So parents give permission, then she starts going. So in order to go on a journey, so when you are going on a journey, you will pack certain things. So even this butterfly also, it packs its dresses and it also packs some food, everything it packs. So as this butterfly has some magical power, so in order to go to moon, it's not easy task. So it calls a vehicle, a pod. Pod is a vehicle where you sit, it is closed, covered, and you can press the buttons and you can nicely, you can fly and go off. Okay. Then what happens? Everything it keeps ready. Then through its magical power, it calls the pod. So pod will be like this, children, a round vehicle where inside one chair will be there. Okay, on that you will sit. Here some buttons will be there that you have to press. Okay, then and it shows which place you have to press it. You have to type that the moon. Then it will take you to the moon. So your character, where it is there, now it has called the vehicle. The vehicle has come. It sits with its packed some dresses also it packs. Some food also it packs for itself, and then it starts on a journey. So where it is going? It is going to the moon. So first what happens? So you have to write your character where it wants to go first. My character Sony butterfly wants to go to the moon. You can take any other place also, children. Then what happens first? First it asks its parents' permission. When parents give permission, immediately it packs all its dresses. Okay, and then it packs even the food along with it, and it with its magical power it calls a pod. So when the pod comes, it sits in that with its packed dresses as well as the food, and it starts on its journey. So it enjoys its journey and goes to the moon. So once when it lands there, what happens? Just imagine when you land, when the butterfly lands there, does it be able to enjoy there? Do you see a garden over there? No garden, nothing. So it gets down off its pod. It looks here and there. It doesn't feel like being there. No flowers, nothing. So it spends some time only. Again, it returns back to its place, which is very beautiful, where it has so many flowers in the garden. And it comes back. So here, your character, whatever character you have created here, children, that character should go on a journey. And how it is going, what is its vehicle, all that you have to write it. Any vehicle you can take. Not only the pod, you can take a rocket. Okay, you can take a helicopter, anything. Okay. And then when it is going there, what it is doing over there. And finally what happens? And finally it is returning back to its place. Is this clear? Now let us see the next one. Now the practice question 6, children. Based on the writing which you have done it in bit number 4 and 5, you create a story, you write a story and read that story, and based on that do the checklist which is there in page number 33 in your textbook. Okay, so we have completed 6th and 7th bit also. Now let us move on to the 8th bit. Now look at the 8th bit, children, in practice questions. Look at the picture carefully. Now you are looking at the picture. Think about what happens in it and write it in the form of a story. Name your character if you wish. Don't forget to revise your writing. So now here what do you see in the picture? You come across one boy. Okay, he went to a dentist. So you all know, I think, who is a dentist. So dentist is a person who takes care of your teeth or who treats your teeth if you have any tooth problem. So he went to a dentist and he's sitting on a dentist chair. So this is the picture which you see here, children. Now you have to name this boy. Okay, think about what happens to him. So why did he go? He might have had some toothache. So for that sake, he might have gone to a dentist. So the dentist has asked him to open his mouth wide, and he had opened it and he had cleaned it or done something with his tooth. Okay. Now here the little boy. So the boy is there. So you can name the boy. So you can name him as a Ben or some name you can take it. So one day you have to write this as a story. One day Ben had a tooth problem. He was suffering a lot and he informed his parents about his tooth problem. Then his parents took him to a dentist. He had an appointment and he went along with his parents to a dentist. So he went into the clinic, into the dentist room. There inside he went and the dentist had asked him to sit. Okay, so Ben sat on the chair. So after sitting, what happened? Immediately what does the doctor say? He might have asked him to open his mouth wide and to check it. So he has opened his mouth wide and he showed him where the problem is. He showed that there he has the tooth problem. So immediately the dentist started talking to him and all of a sudden he has pulled the teeth out, which was very paining, and he was shocked that dentist has pulled it out. But after that pulling he had little bit pain, but later he got a lot of relief from that pain and he was happy later. Your character can be anyone, Ben, Tom, any name you take it, children, and write that Ben was suffering from tooth pain. He told to his parents. His parents took him to a dentist and he went into the dentist room, into the clinic, and there he was asked to sit on a chair. He sat on the chair and the dentist asked him to open his mouth wide. He opened it wide. He showed his mouth and then he told where his tooth problem was there, toothache was there. He showed to the dentist and the dentist started asking him some questions, to which he was nodding his head, and finally the dentist has pulled the tooth out. And at first he had a severe pain, but later that pain was relieved because previous pain was more, and finally he was happy that his tooth pain was relieved. Is it clear, children? So like this you write a story. You just write that character's name, where he went, what happened there, and finally what was the result, and finally what did the dentist do with him, and finally he came back home. Okay, and he was happy. Is this clear, children? So you are going to write 4th bit and 5th bit and also this 8th bit. 8th bit in classwork, and checklist you have to do it in your textbook. Is this clear, children? Thank you.